After a significant amount of research, I believe that the current state of human digital augmentation has the most positive effect on human development as it currently stands. Through the use of technologies such as prosthetics and artificial limbs, which allow the human race access to such advanced technology that many individuals with impairments can lead a more normal and successful life, which they may not have been able to do without the use of prosthetics. However, it is difficult to depict whether further advancements in the future will continue to be beneficial to humans, or if digital augmentation will reach a point where humans begin to lose control of biological constraints and posthumanism may overcome humanity. Most importantly, through digital augmentation, this ultimately provides humans with a second chance at living a normalized, successful life with the use of their prosthetic limbs. Although these advances in technology are ultimately life-changing for the individuals that benefit from digital augmentation, it does create questions around the future of a society that is constantly developing and creating new life-changing technology. But what if society reaches the point of posthumanism? There are numerous aspects to consider. Would these begin to create many issues relating to ethics and morals? And how would these advancements be regulated throughout society? Is there a possibility that this could reach an unprecedented level?